Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Now I will start my new topic, which is of biodiversity, chapter 3 of biology. And now this is question number 21. Question number 21 is, what is deforestation, and discuss the causes and effects of deforestation. As we discussed in our previous lecture, that destruction or removal of plants in an unplanned manner is known as deforestation. Now, what are the causes of deforestation? So our next heading will be causes of deforestation. Some of the major causes of deforestation are as follow. First one is land requirement. Extension of cities require more land, so thus forests are cut to build roads and houses. Overpopulation. Day by day increasing population needs more land for agricultural activities. Pasture for grazing. Trees are also removed to develop pasture for grazing. Consumption of wood. Wood is used both as timber and as fuel wood. Now timber mafia. Timber mafia cut the trees for easy cash. Consequences. All these factors led to the removal of trees. The effect of deforestation are: first one is soil erosion, destruction of habitat for wildlife, extinction of many species, floods, climatic changes, and desertification. Deforestation leads to the desertification. Deforestation led to the desertification. The process of formation of desert is called desertification. When we remove the trees from an area, then it will convert it into desert. So deforestation also leads to soil erosion. What is soil erosion? The removal of uppermost fertile layer of the soil is known as soil erosion. Deforestation leads to soil erosion, and this soil erosion is also responsible for desertification. Reclamation of forest. In order to reclaim the damaged area, the following steps should be taken. Afforestation. Extensive programs of afforestation. Afforestation means what? Creating new forest land should be developed. Reforestation. Reforestation means renewing damaged forest. Ban on illegal cutting. Government should ban on illegal and excessive cutting of trees. Okay, it was all about my question number 21 about deforestation, reforestation, afforestation. Now come towards question number 22. Write the importance of forest. Vital source of life. Our life is greatly dependent on forest. Forests are our vital resource of life. Forests are the natural factories for the production of oxygen. They provide green cover. They provide us shelter. So forests provide green cover to the earth and keep our atmosphere clean from carbon dioxide. Forests provide living place habitat to wildlife. Recreation site. It provides recreation site for man, source of fuel and timber. Forests are important because they are source of fuel and timber. Control floods. Forests play a vital role in controlling floods. Prevents desertification. Forests prevent desertification. And what is desertification? The process by which a green land it is converted into desert by the removal of plants. So this process is known as desertification. Now question number 23. List down the extinct and endangered species of Pakistan. Extinct species are those species which are no longer found anywhere on the earth, are known as extinct species. Now Asiatic cheetah, lion, Indian wild ass, Indian one-horned rhinoceros, swamp deer, black buck, Bengal tiger. Endangered species of Pakistan. Endangered species are those species which are likely to become in the category of extinct species. In Pakistan, 31 species of mammals, 20 species of birds, and 5 species of reptiles are endangered. Now, animal species: markhor, Capra falconeri, ibex, Marco Polo, musk deer. Plant species: Sonneborn, Juniperus marcopoda, Pinus giridiana chilgosa, and Texas baccata yew plant. Bird species: cranes, Hobra bustard, CC partridge, and falcons. Fish species: shirmai and mahashir. So all these species of Pakistan which are in the category of endangered species. Question number 24. What do you mean by agriculture biodiversity? Agriculture biodiversity is broad term and is the outcome of interaction among living organisms, the environment, and practices used by farmers. Agricultural practices are among one of the factors for the loss of biodiversity. Concept of agricultural biodiversity is emerging. It not only includes forms of life directly related to agriculture, but also many other organisms such as soil animals, weeds, pests, predators, all native plants and animals. Agricultural biodiversity helps in maintaining or increasing the biodiversity and also source of food. Question number 25 is define term prions and virides. Virides are a class of simple infectious agents consisting of nucleic acid RNA only. And what are prions? Prions are acellular particles like virus and a mode of protein only. Both cause diseases in plants. Last question is question number 26. What are advantages of national parks? Or what do you mean by national parks? Okay, national parks are made to conserve the biodiversity of an area. Pakistan has 29 national parks. Hunting, polluting water, cleaning of land for cultivation, and destruction of wildlife are banned in these areas. However, they are accessible to public for research, education, and recreation. So it means national parks, they are made for what? They are made for conserve the biodiversity of an area. It was all about my today's lecture. Inshallah, we will meet in our next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.